Morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Wednesday, Hump Day, and March 7th. So we'll jump right into it for you. We do got a few economic news releases scheduled for today. I'll give you a heads up. Headline news is pretty light today, so we'll jump right to the bond market pretty much immediately afterwards. So today we start with the ADP employment number. This is kind of like the private employment sector, and for February's. And for January, they had 170,000 new jobs they put out, and it jumped up actually to 216,000. So this is actually good news, showing that the private sector is showing good employment. A lot of this is almost half of this is going towards um, small businesses. This kind of broken up mostly small businesses and service-oriented jobs. So that's kind of like where most of the jobs are going with this. Now we had productivity for fourth quarter results. Previously, it was reported at 0.7%. We figured it'd be about 0.9%, go up a little bit, and it did. So we had productivity did go up and came in at expectations. And then we come up with unit labor costs for fourth quarter. Previously, it was reported 1.2. We figured it'd go up a little bit, up to about 1.9, and it jumped up to 2.8. So productivity went up, but so did labor costs went up as well. So obviously, we'll want to keep an eye on the labor costs, as obviously, so we don't want to get too expensive, obviously. So anyways, but a lot of this is kind of going in line here with more jobs, lower unemployment. We're starting to see a little bit more productivity in the GDP and stuff. So we're starting to see a kind of a consistent growth pattern here. It's not going up extremely a lot, but it's kind of slowly growing right now. And that's what we're kind of seeing right at the immediate term. So as a result, we have the headline news, which we're just going to look at. The stock market today is up. They're liking that news. It's primarily the ADP reporting. Remember, we do on Friday had the actual Labor Bureau statistics. The government's going to report their job numbers with the unemployment and such. So that will be the biggie. It doesn't always coincide with what ADP reports. So that would be the biggie. That could be a big market mover. And then tomorrow will be the weekly jobless claims, so that could give us a little bit of insight. But so far, we've been looking pretty good on jobless claims, so we should have a decent number probably for unemployment here. So let's jump over to the bond market and see what interest rates are doing. We lost a lot of the gain we had yesterday. We're down. It opened about 15 basis points lower, and now we're currently about 6 basis. So we're about 21 basis points lower from where we left off. What that means is that interest rates are a little bit higher today versus what uh, basically where we were yesterday. So, but we are still a little bit above the 10-day moving average. We're testing the floor right now. This could be a good test where maybe we get a bounce upwards, or we could, work our way down as well. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. And, if you guys are on the site, please stop on by mikesdailymarketreport.com or my YouTube site, also Mike's Daily Market Report, and subscribe, get your free daily updates, and see you there. Catch you tomorrow.